As a BMW G20 owner, you may have wondered if wheel spacers are a good idea for your car. BMW G20 wheel spacers are devices that fit between the wheel and the hub, increasing the distance between the two. They can improve the appearance, handling, and clearance of your BMW G20, but are they worth it? Sure. One of the main reasons why people get wheel spacers is to enhance the look of their car. BMW wheel spacers can make your wheels more flush with the fenders, giving your G20 a more aggressive and sporty stance. They can also fill in the gap between the wheel and the brake caliper, making your brakes more visible and attractive. Another benefit of wheel spacers is that they can improve the handling and stability of your BMW G20. By widening the track width of your car, wheel spacers can reduce the body roll and increase the cornering grab. They can also improve steering response and feedback, making your BMW G20 more responsive and fun to drive. BMW wheel spacers can also help you fit larger wheels and tires on your car. If you want to upgrade your wheels or tires, you might encounter some clearance issues with stock setup. Wheel spacers can create more space between the wheel and the suspension components, allowing you to fit wider or better wheels and tires without rubbing or scraping. If you decide to get wheel spacers for BMW G20, you should consider some factors before you buying them. One of them is quality of the wheel spacers. You should choose wheel spacers that are made by reputable brands and designed special for your BMW G20 model and year. You should also check if they are compatible with your wheels bolt pattern, center bolt, offset, and rivet. You should avoid cheap wheel spacers that might not fit perfectly or safety on your car. BONOSS BMW G20 wheel spacers are worth running. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will default in endanger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional BMW G20 wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry's safety and professional standard. Being a high-end wheel spacer company, it is surely that the design are expressive and geared towards improving performance and aesthetics. The main advantages of the BONOSS BMW wheel spacers is the lightweight plus design. The benefits of the lightweight plus design of BONOSS BMW G20 wheel spacers mean that the whole design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacer. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption and improve handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared to the previous generation product, the weight is reduced by 20%. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall comfort of the handling performance are better, and the driving is safer, which is the best choice